that one.
When I think about Elisa, it's probably when many of you think about Elisa, I think about chocolate chip cookies. And if everybody in the world found somebody they look at the way Elisa looks at chocolate chip cookies, we'd all be pretty lucky. So we're all very happy that Elisa found her chocolate chip cookie.
I have to tell you, it is such an honor and privilege. We never expected Joey to ask us to be his best man, and it truly touched us.
We are missing someone very important to us this evening, who we obviously been here with our father. Nothing would have gave him better joy than watching everyone here having a good time. I wish you both nothing but the best in life and the future. You're fantastic, unique, and perfectly matched couple. Yes, I'd like to thank you both for sharing the occasion with us. It gives me an immense pleasure to invite you all to stand and raise a toast to the new happy couple, Joey and Elisa. Joey and Elisa.
Muñeca chiquitita, granito de café. Si me pides la vida te daré. Trayendo de la luna tajadas de melón para que se te endulce de luz el corazón, para que se te endulce de luz el corazón.
We are gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments and to cherish the words which shall unite Joey and Elisa in marriage. Joey, do you take Elisa to be your wife?
I do.
Elisa, do you take Joey to be your husband?
I do.
So now, by the power vested in me, I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. Joey
Are we sure?
I don't know. I
and
thought you were
Elisa.
Congratulations.
Saturdays?
No.
There are too many nice things to say about Elisa, and even more to say about her relationship with Joey. Her and I have been friends for over a decade. We spent the better half of our lives being neighbors, and it's really hard to sum it all up. Everyone here probably seems pretty crazy that 5 friends who came together in middle school would still be friends today, but when I think back to all the experiences we've had together, it makes complete sense. We've seen each other through our highest highs and lowest lows. We even made it to Chile and back in one piece, which was solely thanks to Elisa, by the way, because the rest of us can barely speak English, let alone But that's just who Elisa is. She's the caretaker of this friend group. And now we get to celebrate her finding someone who wants to take care of our caretaker.
She's okay with me. Trust me.
Why'd you start that?
Ellie, we love you. I think when anybody meets you, they just fall in love with you immediately. So when Joey proposed to us,
Ellie
proposed to us, we happily accepted. Yes.
We'll allow it.
But in all seriousness, we love you so much.
Tally and Joey, may this be the greatest adventure of all, and I look forward to seeing all of the things that you're going to do and experiencing as much of it as possible with both of you.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing for the first time in public, Alyssa and Joey Dunn.
L is for when you had me
O is for the only one I see. Two in love can make it. Take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for me and you. Love was made for me and you.
It's a video.
It's okay, I still smile.
We're taking photos at night! Oh yeah! You guys need tripods? I'm
not wearing heels anymore,
We're
so
taking-
I'm
oh.
actually short.
Oh, fuck
That was really scary. Is Olive okay?
Ellie, I love everything about who you are. You do all these things that others see. First sentence. You're funny, smart, and creative, to name a few. Yet none of that can describe how you make me feel. It's this indescribable feeling where we've become attuned to each other's inner states. You've inspired me and make me the best person I can ever hope to be. I love you as you are and who you are yet to become. I promise to listen to you and learn from you, to support you and accept your support, even if it's hard for me to admit sometimes. I promise to support your dreams and respect our differences. I will celebrate your triumphs and mourn your losses as though they were my own. I will love you and have faith in your love for me through all our years and all that life may bring us.
Joey, from the first time I met you, I remember feeling as though we could be friends for the rest of my life.
First sentence.
Of course, I wanted to be more than just friends, but I was willing to settle for just that. But I'm happy that I didn't have to. In those 5 years, I really feel like we've been through so much. You make me laugh, you make me feel so loved and protected that I've been able to nurture a love for myself that I've always struggled to maintain. I love growing with you. I love the person I am when I'm with you. You cheer me on and make every moment feel special and deserved. I don't know many other people who I can say with such conviction that they're truly living life to its fullest. Joey, you have so much passion for the activities you love and the people with whom you share that time with. We may have met lifeguarding in a pool where no one ever needed to be saved. But I promise to be your lifeguard when you need saving. Just as I know you would be for me. Joey, I love you. I love our home. I love our little family with Lola and Olive. I'm so excited and curious about what our future holds and what discoveries this new chapter in our lives will bring.